Here we go. 2015-16 National Treasures Case 3, box break number 2, 11:07 Eastern Standard Time. Zeke's 13. Stevie F. I gotta really pick and choose my battles because if I wake up my son, because he's right across the room, so I gotta really pick and choose my battles, buddy. So I apologize that I didn't play music there. But if I wake up my son, then I have to deal with my wife being upset with me too. So, like I said, sorry, bud. And here we go. 50143 Jason S. Hokies. Sports Card Rob, Bond, Franchise, LC. All right, you guys are all up in it. Good luck to you. And here we go. All right. All right, Sports Card. I'll try not to. Right on top, LeBron, 59 out of 99. So 59 out of 99, little LeBronius. To kick things off, going to Cleveland, AVL 5018. Then you got Jaren Grant, and that's 7 out of 99, going to those Knicks. That'll be Tiarashi. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I'll just play Lullaby. Yeah, Jet Lag, I like that. Yeah, I'll give that a shot. Here's John Stockton, 59 out of 75. Yeah, I can play some light jazz whenever we get it. Some Yaz flute. So going to Jason S. with a John Stockton. Then you got Chris Paul for the Clippers, 19 out of 75. That's Hokies, 86. So one of these super swatches in there. Not so super, but it is a swatch. All right, then you got Kawhi Leonard, and that'll be 10 out of 25 dudes playing some ball until tonight when they got shut down. But 10 out of 25, dude's still pretty good. Going to the Spurs. So LC for life. There you go, bud. Then you got Byron Scott, 1 out of 25. You look at that patch from a weird angle and it looks a little dirty. That kind of concerns me because how you going to get dirty on the basketball court? Unless you pulled that one out of the hamper. I don't know what's going on there. Going to the Lakers. Zeke's, he went back to back boxes. Hitting some Lakers stuff. Then you got NBA Game Gear autographs of Blake Griffin going to the Clippers. Hokies, 86. So maybe AD can check out the print run on that. So the NBA Game Gear autographs there. Then you got Kevin McHale, 3 out of 25. Going to Boston. So Eisenstadt. And then you got Gary Payton, old school, going to OKC. Jason S. You can call it whatever you want, Jet Lag, but I don't. Weirds me out. 12 out of 49, Gary Payton. So solid hit over there to OKC, Jason S. A little old school stuff. And then Zach LaVine, 101. Going to those Timberwolves. So Stevie F hitting that 101, but I'll tell you what, we're still looking. I feel like we are due. So, let me go.